How to buy Cronos token. So this token came and needed the symbol of CRO or CRO. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. And also there is a referral code down the description. You can get for money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as it goes below. Find your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, this token is available on Cronos MEXC. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now to your wallet, for that I will use the BitGet wallet. Now select the Ethereum as a network from here. Click on this plus icon. Now paste the token address here. So after that, what you need to do, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added that's called CRO. So after you find it, what you need to do, click on it. Now here, click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here, type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see, as you can see, how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy CRO token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.